Hey everyone!
Hi everyone!
Welcome to our unboxing, and today we have a huge box that is like a suitcase.
Yeah, suitcase.
Yeah, full of Japanese surprise snacks.
I like you.
So we have no idea
Yeah.
what's inside here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open it up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Froggy, I think.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Okay, so let's open it up. You guys can see I'm going to open up.
Oh, big one.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so let's put it this way so they can see.
Yeah.
It's gonna block my face in a minute.
No.
All ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
I like it.
Oh my gosh! Okay, this looks. Let me show them in the box.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks yummy. Okay, so you guys can.
I see you.
You guys can see.
I see you.
It's full of candy.
I see you.
I see you.
I see you.
And look at what is that?
Fishy.
And that
Different candy.
candy. So we have full box of candy.
Gummy.
So let's start to show you guys what we have. Are you ready?
Out.
Okay. So first one we're taking out from here.
Heart is out.
Okay,
there.
show this one to that one. Show it to them.
See? This one is cookie.
Cookie, okay. Grab another one.
I like this one. All this.
Ooh, those are Hello Kitty. So this is supposed to be like authentic Japanese snack.
Whoa!
That looks so cool. What is that?
Fuck.
Oh, let me see. Oh, so they're like little. Oh, they're cookies.
Yeah.
Kawaii
baby.
cookies.
Baby.
It's a little baby frog. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
Baby cookie.
Mm-hmm.
This. Yeah.
Oh, what is that? Oh, so what is this? Yeah. Oh, snowflake cracker. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Okay, put it down. Grab another one.
Look.
What? Another one? The same brand. And it's wasabi. I don't know. It might be spicy for you.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going.
You want spicy.
Whoa, show them first. Oh, they're little gummies.
Yeah.
Look at how they look
My
so
gummies.
good. Gummies.
Yeah, gummy.
So colorful.
Yeah.
Okay, grab the rest.
Look, marshmallow.
Is this marshmallow? Yeah, it was a cute marshmallow.
Yeah, a burger. They're yummy.
You can put it right here, Ellie. Right
Okay.
here. Grab the rest. We have a lot to go to. Like this, how much? And it comes with a drink. It has a drink inside. Wow. Ooh, this is like a cookie.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, it looks like a conchita, like a Mexican conchita, but we don't know yet. Let me show you guys.
Yeah, it's chicha.
Conchita.
Yeah, it's like I see it.
Okay, yeah, they keep going. Ooh. That looks like a little bread. Oh, I can't wait to try them. All right, keep going. We have a few more. That's the drink. Ooh.
Yeah.
Let me see. Ooh.
Cute.
Ooh, it's glass, huh? So it's a glass drink. We can put that one right here in front.
Yeah.
Right there.
So,
Keep going. There's more.
look.
Ooh, that is so cute.
Dark.
Oh, I think they pop. These are like
Pop.
candy pop. I don't know.
Candy pop.
Ooh, I'm excited to try this here.
Yeah,
Okay, keep going. We have like, ooh, we have more left.
What is it?
These are jelly beans.
Yeah, jelly bean.
And then this one, what is this? That's a lollipop.
Lollipop. I want lollipop.
And this is like a little stars. We can create our own candy here. You scared? Look
Yeah.
how cool this is. Pretty cool.
Do this.
So it tells us we can make our own. So we're gonna make them. And we have a bunch of, these are called Milkita Honeydew Shake Candy.
There's too many.
Yeah. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little Milkitas. Nice. Okay, so let's put them here. And that's pretty much it from the box. As you guys can see, that's it. So let's get
started.
So this boxing is to me so cute, just because it has like the whole, like, you know, suitcase vibe, and then like
a dinosaur.
a cute little dinosaur in here.
Yeah, a baby dinosaur, a burger.
Yeah. So look at Japanese surprise snacks. Okay, now time to open and try. Let me show you guys another quick look of how the packaging looks. And look how cute this one is.
Yeah.
Okay, show them that one. Show that one to them. No, like this. Like that. So they can see that it's a Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
Let me see. Chocolate flavor.
Yeah, my favorite.
And this one's, I don't know any the words in here. I don't know what they're saying, but can't wait to try them. So we'll be back so you guys can see us try all of this candy here. So excited.
Hi.
Hey everyone.
So too many.
So many. And we are ready to try. Okay, which one are you going to try first?
I'm going to try this. No, with this, you will buy the picture.
It's a candy. It's not a gummy. So I'm gonna try, I don't know which one. Oh, let's try this little ball right here. Looks so good.
Can't bite it.
Pretty. Oh, don't put it back. It's good. Try that one.
I'll try this.
You try that one already?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a little, I don't know. It's good, but it's a bit too dry, like for me.
Yeah, me too.
How about the candy? You don't like it?
No.
No? Let's try it. So these are little rocks. I think they pop. I don't know. Let me check it out. It's all sugar.
My favorite.
Of course it will be your favorite. It's all sugar. That one's pretty much sugar.
I'll try this.
Doesn't even have the pop, and I thought it will be the pop. Those are jelly beans.
I'll try beans.
Show them the jelly bean.
Giant bean. I love giant bean. Like this one, a monkey.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good? Let me try the jelly bean.
I like it.
No?
Yeah.
Hey, taking everything out. Okay, hold on. Let me try it first. It's good. I like the green one.
I like it too.
Which one do you want to try next?
Try this.
Marshmallow? Good? Let me try the other end. Okay, I'm gonna try the cracker. So this is how it looks like. Super thin. This is good.
My marshmallow, my favorite.
This is good, Ali.
I'll try the white pop. My favorite too.
It's good?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Strawberry. And brown grape.
Strawberry and grape.
Yeah.
That was good. This is good.
And this one is way good. This one is way good too.
This is really, so far, my favorite is right here. So, let's try the wasabi. Little piece. So it's a bit spicy. Let's see. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. I like it.
That is spicy. That is.
I'm try this one. Chocolate.
That's a Hello. It came from the Hello Kitty box. So it's like a chocolatey. You like it? Let me try. Yeah, the wasabi is a no-go for me at all. It's too strong. It tastes just like wasabi. Just like it. So this is how it looks like. The inside, I don't know if you guys can see the inside. It's good. Chocolatey.
Your favorite?
Not my favorite.
My favorite.
But it's good.
My
Your
favorite? Yeah. This one not my
Wish
favorite.
it would have more chocolate inside.
My papa was my favorite. All them are my favorite.
Of course, they're sugary.
I like it.
Yeah, definitely you cannot try that. Okay.
Don't.
Next.
Yeah.
These little gummies. It was good.
What?
Oh. It reminds me of this gummy I had once before. Like this Mexican candy I had. Tastes pretty good.
I like it.
She never really likes anything chewy. Or nothing chewier. So, well, chewy and like sour.
I like this.
But this is not really sour. It's more like sugary.
like
But
this
it is, the gummy is pretty good.
This one.
Oh, it's a baby cookie.
Yeah, I tried this. A baby cookie. We're good.
Yeah, let's try it.
We're good. My favorite. Your favorite. Good. Your favorite?
It's good.
Yeah. Your favorite? Oh, your favorite?
Not my favorite.
My favorite too.
It's good. And it's a chocolate chip, so it's good. It's good. Let's try this other baked cookie.
A burger. I like this. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. I'm about to eat you. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, let's try it. Let's try. Okay, let me try, okay?
Yeah, I'm going to try 1 pieces.
Guys. It has chocolatey inside.
Mom, now buy this.
This chocolatey is pretty good.
I'll try this.
That is so good.
Look.
This chocolate.
Look good.
It only came 3 of them. 3 of the little cookies in the box. So you can tell she likes them too. So that's it. So I'm gonna try this and give you the other half, okay? So let's try.
Yeah. Right?
This tastes like I forgot the name of those cookies, but this tastes so good. Like the not the inside of the chocolate, but like the outside of the chocolate cookie is so good. You can have it. You don't like it.
No?
You
like it?
I
like it.
So we forgot to try the last part of the box, and it's this drink here.
What ice?
So it's like a little ball you push down to open, like To open, you have to like press down and it will go inside.
Ice.
No, it's not ice. It's a little ball that it was on top.
My ball.
And you press down with this right here.
And just touch it.
So
cool.
And this is a carbonated soft drink, yogurt flavor, and let's try it. Ready?
Yeah. Goga.
Goga.
Goga?
No. You like it?
My favorite.
Everything's her favorite. I don't really like it. It's okay, but it's not my favorite. Oh my gosh, she's gonna finish it all. She loves it. I don't. But I'm happy she likes it. So we're pretty much done here, almost. Almost done with everything.
Where's my toy?
Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on the next one. Bye!
Why Kenny?